Hey guys, I hope you guys liked that real quick little get ready with me on this wig. Oh my, are you guys seeing this? Like, I have no baby hairs, like no baby hairs. I'm really into that like no baby hair look. And this hair is straight out the box. I did not, like deadass, I did not pluck this wig, nothing. Like, this is just how it came. It was a medium brown lace. Like, I was able to choose my lace. You'll be able to choose your lace as well. And like, do you see that part? First of all, like, everything about this wig is beautiful. Like, this is hands down one of the best wigs to date. Like, you know what? No, to date, this is the best wig I've ever received, period. Like, this is one of the best wigs ever. Like, the fact that the lace just blends in so effortlessly, like, that's crazy. I don't have to put no foundation. I didn't have to bleach my knots, none of that. Like, literally out the box on my head. Like, it's easy. 1, 2, 3, you know? It's so soft. I could easily see my mom's wanting to take this from me. Like, my mom is probably gonna want to take this wig from me, but I can't get this one to her. Like, it's so cute. The little cut. This is such a cute little fall wig. I'm so happy that I got to work with MyFirstwigs on this video, this collaboration. I hope there are many collaborations to come. I hope you guys see this wig and you guys are amazed. You guys go check them out. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box down below to MyFirstwigs and where you guys can purchase, and I'll put the link for this exact particular unit if you're interested. But they have many different styles: long, short, curly, straight, kinky straight, blonde. They have it all, honey. Oh, also, if you guys didn't see properly on the little card, it's a 21.5 cap. So literally I don't even have a elastic band in this because the circumference of my head is spot on. I literally cut off, let me show you. Do I even have it? No, I threw out the little piece of lace. I had to just cut off like this amount just for around the ear, and that was it. Like, from ear to ear, it was perfect. MyFirstwigs, you guys really did the dang thing. I am so happy, so pleased, and I hope this hair like lasts, cause like, yo, the luster on this hair, there's not even oil in here. This hair is shiny and bouncy, sis. Like, this is cute. Hopefully I can come back and do an updated review and I have the same exact feeling about this hair, and I have a strong feeling that I will. I'm even thinking maybe I should dye this hair. I don't know, it's so cute. I feel like I don't even know myself. This wig is bomb.com. You guys can see they're not really like shedding. You get like a 1-2 strands, but maybe that came from when I did the little clipping at the side for around my ears, but that was pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, check out MyFirstwigs. Please check them out. I do not think you'll be disappointed for choosing them for, if not your first, just a wig to have in your collection. And I'll see you guys later with another one.